What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking Now. We are doing our 5-box mixer 656. Nice little break. It's a first appearance of McDavid Mania in a break in a while, so hoping for a nice box. We're live. Good luck, guys. It is 9:57. Anaheim to Winnipeg, and Clay down to Clay. We'll start with the teams. Good luck. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. I know everybody's looking for Edmonton, but as I mentioned already, there are some huge prizes left in this product, and they have nothing to do with McDavid. So be prepared. 9:57, 9:57. Last and final on the teams. Fourth and final timestamp on the team says 9:57, and 9:57 it is. Let's copy these over. Tampa Bay, Colorado. Edmonton's right there on number 16. Tampa Bay to Colorado. Then we got Edmonton to Arizona. So keep your eye peeled for spot 16. Could be you. 9:58 and Clay. Everybody, good luck. 1, 2, 3. Slow going. 3 is a timestamp. Timestamp on 3 says what? 9:58. 9:58. Last and final will do it. Copy them over. Last and final timestamp says 9:58, and 9:58 it is. So congratulations, Colby. I see you there in spot 16, man. Best of luck with the break. We got Mike to Pat, and Colby to Clay. There's your teams, guys. We'll post them in your comments. We'll see you in an hour. Best of luck.